Hi there, guys, and welcome. We are out here at the Howard County Fair at the Woodworking booth in the Home Arts building. So we're at the back of the barn. You have to walk all the way back to the back to find us. But this year's theme, dinosaurs. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you around the booth, give you a little introduction to some of the pieces, and let you get a sneak peek before anybody else has seen them of some of the ribbons that were awarded. So first, we're going to talk about the prizes or the special contest this year, which was dinosaurs, a carved dinosaur. And so here we have 3 carved dinosaurs, our first, second, and third place finishers, which is, this one is a beautiful rendering of a fossil into a piece of wood. It's really fun, it's neat and very creative, this creation. The next one is a little dinosaur egg where he is popping up out of that egg. It's very cute and all wood. You can see the bottom there. And then our prize, our champion carved dinosaur is this, what is that, a Brontosaurus? With a beautiful little swiggle on his tail and a nice, looks like he was really, someone put some love into that one. The next contest was to carve a 12 by 12 or smaller picture frame. We had a couple of entries in there. There's another one over on the shelf, but here is the Ron Lambert's winning piece. He took first place for this, and that was the other contest, the non-carvers challenge. Next, we're going to move down to showcase a couple of other pieces. This is a segmented bowl that took first, and got some really nice, very fine detail in the bowl itself. I'll sort of zoom in on that real quick, and then we'll just keep moving along because we want to keep quick. This is a bowl turned by Gene from Maple Burl. He made that for me, and I thank him for that and very much appreciate it, but he's out here to contest and win lots of fabulous prizes. Next, we have Mike Heavner made this clock, and it is, what was the wood?
It was figured maple and cocoa bolo.
A beautiful piece. And I'm going to now turn the mic over to Mike and let him walk you through the rest of the booth and show you the different pieces. He's going to show you the remainder of the table and then give you a quick view of all of the shelves and the wonderful pieces that we've had submitted this year. So Mike, take it away.
Here's a few more pieces. I'm going to highlight a couple of the carvings we had that were turned in. Just absolutely gorgeous, as well as some more turnings. There's one that Manny made. Manny, great work. I know you probably turned this in the shop, so thank you for all your hard work there and for this turning submitted today. As well as here's a Ron Steiger carved, we call it the Angry Bird or Angry Cardinal. Beautiful work. You're gonna love his cardinals. You know, so here's some more stuff in the booth that are in the display case. More carvings. Beautiful work that people submitted. Some of which were guild members, some were not. Here's some submitted by the youth of the area, some of the children's area that's sponsored by Ron Clements. Again, all 3 of these pieces were first place winners. So great little birdhouse, a little rhinoceros, and a car that was carved. Also on the wall here, an intarsia piece, very nice work on a slab of cherry. We'll move on over. More pieces I don't want to miss along this back wall. People, I'm telling you, there's some beautiful work here, some gorgeous carvings, boxes. One that Greg's son made was a spool doll. Just beautiful work. He won Best in Show for that. More boxes. Just great work. Lots of turnings. Another one by Keith Frampton, who made this, the recycled wood theme. This was an old, actually a bowl that he made from an old pallet that he had in his garage for 30 years. So great work, Keith, pulling that together. Some cherry bowls that he made. Beautiful work again, Keith. As you can see, some great prizes on there, stickers, ribbons on those, some scroll work as well as pyrography. Again, just beautiful work with bowls, carvings, turnings. Great work, folks. Hopping on over here. Got some other items here that were the larger items that were submitted. Everything from antique little desks that someone restored. Beautiful work there, restored wood. And as you can see in the background, this beautifully made cherry 4-post bed. That was the selected item that became our Best in Show award this year for the Howard County Fair. And that was made by none other than Keith Frampton. So Keith had talked about this and displayed it during a Zoom. Talked about how he made his jigs and set it up, and just beautiful work. Again, Keith, great work at the Howard County Fair. You guys need to come on out, see this, support the booth, and please swing by the Howard County booth and see the workings and the items that people have made.
You'll find us all the way back at the back of the Home Arts building. You'll find the whole corner is dedicated to the Guild and to woodworking, and it's going to be staffed all week. Starting at 1 o'clock tomorrow, that's when it opens to the public. Prior to that, they're doing judging up at the front of the building, and so they won't be allowed, people won't be allowed in before then. But we'll see you at 1 o'clock, and it runs all the way through next Saturday, and then closes out with the fair closing next Saturday night.
All right, thanks, Keith, or thanks, Greg. Appreciate it. See you now.